Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving when you will be seeing this. I hope that you are all at home with your families today and resting and relaxing and taking a break from work. I know a lot of you are, work from home and, you do POSHMARK just like I do. So I hope that you are taking the day off today. I wanted to do just a fun video for you guys today. So I have a Dollar Tree haul and I found a lot of good stuff, good stuff to show you guys. Just to have kind of a fun video for Thanksgiving. So first I want to show you, I got some Christmas stuff. First I picked up these really soft socks. These are like amazing. There we go. These are so soft. I wish you could feel them. They are just like, they're almost like a towel kind of. But they are just so soft and I'm so excited to wear these. I will be sitting by the fireplace in my cozy socks. I love like soft socks, and sometimes I'll put on gloves too at night, like with lotion on my hands to make my hands softer. But these are super soft and super warm. I was really glad to find these. I picked these up, these little gold ornaments. I'm probably going to use these for a DIY project. I'm not quite sure what yet, but they have really cute glitter ones and then solid ones, and then you can see they have matte ones back here too. I picked up some ribbon. I really want to do maybe a wreath or maybe like a wood sign and put this ribbon on it, or maybe I might use this for the tree. But it's this really cute plaid pattern. If it'll focus. There we go. Really cute plaid pattern. It kind of reminds me of the Burberry pattern. It's a really light tan, red and green like that. But I picked this up. It has kind of a slight sparkle to it, if you can see it on the camera. But it's really pretty, and I thought this would be really cute in some sort of DIY. So I picked up 2 of these. I picked up this one that has little packages on it, if it'll focus. Focus. There we go. Cute little packages on it. I might use this, not really sure yet. I think I'm going to make kind of a door hanger and use this as the ribbon to go on it. Picked up this one that has the gold trees on it. These would also make really good hair ribbons if you have a little girl. These are super cute. I love the white and gold of the tree. It also has a slight shimmer to it. I picked up this one, which is red and green Christmas tree with some snowflakes. It will focus. There we go. Christmas tree, snowflakes, some polka dots. Love this. I like to have extra ribbon on hand, wrapping packages. You can really use this for anything. I picked up 2 of the Christmas tree. I picked up just some solid gold ribbon, which you could really use year round for anything. So if you use ribbon regularly, I would recommend picking a ton of these up just to have as a stockpile. I also got some snowflake ribbon. I don't know, I guess I was in a ribbon mood today. And then I got, this is really pretty. It says peace and love and Merry Christmas on it. I thought that was really elegant looking. This would be really cute if you're having a Christmas wedding. There we go. That would be really pretty to use for something. I also found these really awesome stamps. It's like it's called Ready Set Stamp. So this says step 1. You can see it. It says step 1 at the top. And there it says remove the stamp from the backing, and then you place the smooth side of the stamp on the acrylic block, which is this. It says it will stick to the acrylic block. And then I also picked up these stamps. I thought these would be really good for my planner. These are like alphabet letters. And then you use the ink and you put the ink on the stamp while it's on the acrylic block. But I thought this was a really cute little craft set that I could use for my planner. So I picked up all 3 sets. I also picked up, they had these unfinished Christmas trees, and I was kind of in the mood to paint something. So I picked up a couple of the Christmas trees, and then they also had snowflakes. So I picked up a snowflake as well. I also picked up a stencil that I'm going to use for something like a DIY sign, and it says Home Sweet Home. I thought that was really cute. Moving on to some more of like decor stuff. I picked up this really cute candle holder. It's just a gold geometric candle holder that I thought was really nice. And then I found this, it looks like mercury glass. It's an LED votive, but I love how that looks. I'm probably going to put this on the table. It's just a really pretty rose gold color. I love rose gold. And then I picked up 2 of the rose gold candle holders. Then I picked up 2 candles. This one is called Autumn Apricot. However you pronounce that. It smells really good. Has a nice fall smell to it. This will be really good for the table. Then I also picked up this one. It says Mulberry and Big Delight. You could take some ribbon and get these and maybe take the top sticker off, or leave it on if you want. Just tie a ribbon around it, and that would make just the cutest gift, teacher gift. You know, if you have a babysitter, or, you know, these would just make really cute little gifts for people. I also picked up just some tea lights for the gold candle holder that I got. I picked up these permanent markers, which I thought were really cute for my planner. And then I picked up something that I have been looking for a very long time, and I was super excited that my Dollar Tree finally got them, because these are expensive if you buy them anywhere else, but they are planner stickers. And so I picked up this one. It's got like unicorns, and then it has little squares, and then it has these that have kind of the gold foil on them. How cute is that? It has these like little reminder stickers. How cute are these for $1? If you buy these anywhere else, if you buy the name brand ones, it's $20 for a pad of stickers. Look at those. These were only $1. And then I picked up, honestly, I bought all they had. This is a different one. I won't go through all of them because that will take a lot of time. But how pretty are those? I love them. Are there 3 different ones? No, just 2 different ones. But yeah, like I bought all of them that they had at the store because these things are expensive. They would also make really great gifts for people. If you know somebody that has a planner, definitely hit up Dollar Tree and get them some planner supplies. They will love you. You will be their favorite person ever. I love my planner. I love school supplies, stickers. I have always been this way. I would get really excited when it was back to school time, and that's all I wanted was just all the school supplies, all the notebooks. I was obsessed with it. But anyway, that is my Dollar Tree haul for today, for Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving. Tomorrow is Black Friday. If you're going out for Black Friday, be careful and hope you find some good stuff. If you are new here, I hope that you will subscribe. I post thrift hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, POSHMARK videos, all about saving money and making money and living a happy life. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video.